Good morning. Managed to get this out relatively easily. It was a lot easier than I was expecting. If you look up there, I took that out first. You see the end, that very end link? It's actually bust. So it's got like a loop on the end that goes over the end of this, wherever it is, goes over that bit. See the, oh wait a minute, you see this piece, it goes over that, and that's what's broken. So, just so, for observation's sake, see that, the way that paddle is, that's up, so that, the grain sits on this edge as it goes up, and it drops down onto the slide and back and then down into the tank. But these paddles should always be facing up with the grain, so that, because if they were sat on the other side, the grain would be, and the active force of the elevator would be trying to pull these off. So instead they should always be trying to push on. And these are actually, some of them are original paddles that have never been used. They're only a couple of years old. And a chap called Andrew Blagg gave me some others, and I made up a decent chain. Unfortunately, I think there is coming a time when I'm going to have to replace this chain, because you can see it's done a lot of work. So this combine really has done a lot of work. It produces a really good sample, this one. I mean, I would show you, I'm quite busy, so, but this one just went straight in and just went perfect. The Model C had been used for grass seed last year, so it was all set up for grass seed, so we had to reset it, but we're just allowing it to just cut, and as long as we're catching it all, the sample's not too much of a worry. But this one is literally not dropping anything, and the sample's clean, so you can do it if you set up. But these Model A's tend to be a little bit easier to set up because they're smaller. This one just seems so dead easy to set up. You can't even adjust the drum speed. It's just concave, wind speed and sieved. It's all you can really adjust on it. And it seems fine. It works really well. Since I restored it that time and put the new beater in it and everything ages ago, then it's worked really well. But anyway, I've got to go because I've got to get this fixed. It's promising to be a good day. Right, see you later. that's it folks, it's all done. 15 acres done. Let's go and get this other one and empty that. This mod been getting, so it's a job for the winter is, when I get a chance, is clean out the radiator, blow it out and then wipe the crud inside it. Anyway, got to go, it's getting late. We have a problem. Few cracked grains, but I don't really care because it's going in the mill. But that is clean, very clean. I've always thought it's the clean grain auger that cracks it. It's not the drum, it ain't the drum doing it. Was right. Open that hatch and well, there you can see it, look. Yeah, so idiot, but there you go. Have to get that out at some point, but that's never mind. What can you say? Anyway, apart from that little incident, it's been a pretty good day. I've got to make a few notes when I get a minute of what I need to do for next year. Probably main one being make sure that this doesn't overheat too much again. But that was quite a nice little go. It's a shame it's over, I really enjoyed it. But we got some yeah, we had some good times, got some good stuff out of it. So maybe I'll have a bit more to do this year, I'm not sure. We just had to wait and see. But yeah, so maybe not. Maybe I'll see you next year doing it again. Yeah, real good. Right, I'll see you next time. See you later.